Hello, Kylie here with the Funnel Flippers. We're going to take a look, very first look actually, at the new email AI inside of HighLevel's email builder. So you do want to start out with either a template, your template, blank template, but you want to go ahead and open up an email that you can actually work in. That's step number one. So when you go in, you're actually going to see this email AI is in beta now. So if we click this, it's going to say, hey, how can I help you? Here to build amazing email templates. What do you want to do? Let's go ahead and, oh, there's all kinds of options already in here. Let's just go ahead and say fix grammar. Hello, is this a Grammarly replacement? It very well could be. Guess we're about to find out. So it's going to go through and actually fix the grammar. So yeah, fix them. Cool. Went ahead and actually fixed that directly in the email. Now let's go back and let's say, can you help me make this template? Sorry, I have a puppy in the back. Hey, quit. So he's making a ruckus. More visually appealing for mobile devices. And we're just going to kind of play a little bit to see what it can do. Anything that takes too long, I'll go ahead and pause. Oh, okay. Apparently it's quick. This is much faster than the funnel builder. Okay, optimized for every screen. Beautiful. Oh, and it actually, so that's one thing I can see immediately off the bat, is this is pulling in our brand colors. This one, not so much, but it's much closer to what our actual branding is than the funnel AI and the website AI. Perfect. Now let's focus the content on reminding existing clients that we have a call scheduled in 24 hours. Remember, okay, let's just kind of see. Again, we're just kind of playing with it to see what it can do. All set text element has been updated. Was it? I don't think it was updated. Okay, just like every other AI on the planet likes to make some things up. Okay, we're gonna give that a thumbs down. So let me kind of go back to our managing elements. Let's, okay, and now my AI is gone. So this is just a heads up. Oh, hey, this is new too. So fun fact, I guess you could actually go ahead and set your spacing for all these different options as well. Yeah, I'm not seeing where the AI actually came back and is letting me re-access it. So I guess that's a quick note, is that I guess if you cancel out, we're not able to get that anymore. Oh, I can go to add. I lied. Can we write an email to, we're just going to try one more time. Again, this is just me kind of playing with it. Yes. Remind clients that we have a call scheduled in 24 hours. All right, let's give it a second, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it works this time. Beautiful. Okay, so this is actually updating all the content. I'm going to pause for just a second while it kind of thinks and figures itself out. Oh, looks like it's coming up already. So it will generate the images for you. Obviously, that don't love the text in that phone. But okay. So it looks like design-wise, it's doing pretty well, minus the black text and the black backgrounds, but we'll definitely have to make some adjustments, and help it out as far as copy goes. So that's just a quick little heads up. It is kind of cool to be able to like do those quick actions that it came up with initially, but obviously This is a first run. It's still in beta. We'll see how it progresses, but this is just kind of, again, a first walkthrough, a look at what it does and what we can kind of do with it. And if you have questions, let us know.